Look, I know assemblies were never everyone's favorite thing.
But allow me to convince you to spend a little bit of your time. So I promise you won't be disappointed. You thought last year was good? This year's gonna be even better.
Because we're halfway done with the first lap, and we're gonna keep going. I know we're distanced, but we're stronger together. And I know it sounds cliche, but it's true.
All that set aside, Edison Chargers, please stay tuned in to the first of Edison High School Series, Haunted Homecoming.
I'll see you on the other side. How do you do? You all know what it means to push a product. That essentially is your job. I'm here for much the same purpose, to acquaint you with an entertainment product that we hope, and that should, make your product pushing that much easier. This is water. Water representing the vast, infinitely stretching ocean. The ocean you will see on your screen, and a story we call the haunted. You are about to enter into another dimension. A dimension of not only sight and sound, but of mind. A journey into the wondrous land of imagination. It's a dimension as vast as space and as timeless as infinity. Full of ghosts and Ghostbusters.
Did anybody see the ghost?
Don't worry, we're here.
Oh, I think it's in Mr. Patch's room.
Oh, okay.
We're on it.
Edison High School, may I present to you the first in the Haunted Homecoming series, the Ghostbusters. Alright, yeah, we're just gonna film a couple things. You just can follow me. It'll be good. Let's go.
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good.
Awesome. Right this way.
Okay. So this is where the ghost was sighted?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm sorry, sir. You cannot come through here. Ghosts have been sighted. You're gonna have to walk the other way.
Oh,
Oh, I'm sorry. He's with me. He's okay.
All right.
What's your name?
Landon.
All right, Landon. There's gonna be a guy that comes in here. He's gonna ask you a couple questions. He just wants to know what happened tonight. You're gonna be all right, okay?
Okay.
You guys got 45 minutes.
Okay.
This is your EHS commercial break.
What are you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing?
I don't know, but are you sick?
No, I'm dancing.
I definitely wouldn't call that dancing, Sean, but I mean, if you want to be dancing, all for it.
Well, I do want it to be.
I think you should learn some new moves and go watch some people actually dance.
Haley, this is dancing.
I'll let you be the judge of that after we send it off to cheering song.
Hey, I'm Landon. I'm with the Charger News Network. I'm just going to be here to ask you a few questions about what you saw tonight. Is that okay? All right. We're live in 3, 2, 1. Sir, can you please tell us what you saw last night?
It was all so gray.
Can you try?
Well, we were all attending our socially distanced homecoming when the lights cut out and everything seemed to shake. It was there, and then it wasn't.
What was there?
I don't know.
A rocket? Elon Musk? Santa? Come on, give us a little more of a description.
I saw a ghost.
Come on. That's your big description? For all I know, this event could have been canceled on account of Casper the Friendly Ghost. Come on, we need a little bit more than that. Look, I've been in the reporting business for almost 30 minutes. I've seen everything from an empty campus to an empty campus. And never have I seen anything like this. You gotta add a little more description. So come on, can you just give me a little more? Okay, cut. Look, pal, I gotta find a way to make some money. Can you help me out? This ghost thing will not sell. We need a little more description. Why should anyone believe that a ghost is haunting the gym if we don't even give them a description?
I'm just saying what I saw.
Well, it won't work.
So what do you want me to claim to have seen?
I don't know, something engaging, something entertaining, something that viewers will want to watch. Can you do that for me? Okay. All right. We're live. 3, 2, 1. Sir, so what did you actually see?
I saw the...
Come on. What'd you see?
I saw that.
Somebody call the Yellow Jackets!
I don't know. I think I'd still qualify as competition.
Keep telling yourself that.
Well, you should at least hear me sing. My voice is sweeter than mangoes and smoother than butter.
You sing?
Of course I sing.
Oh.
No one else can feel it for you. Only you can let it in. No one else, no one else.
Sean, if you're actually good, I'd tell you to go join varsity choir, but I don't know.
Oh, come on. You're not going to tell me that I'm not good at this either.
I didn't say that, but we should probably go listen to people actually sing.
Whatever.
Please welcome Edison Varsity Choir.
Do ba 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 do ba 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 do ba 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 do. We welcome you to school. We greet you with love and kindness. Hey, we're gonna go away.
Kenny, are you there? Can you hear me?
Welcome back. We are here live at the scene tonight, the foretold night of the homecoming that you might have had, October 31st, 2020. We can now confirm the presence of a ghost here tonight. Our Yellow Jacket authorities should be showing up any minute to take on the ghost. I'm your host here on Charger News. We will now engage in a few words with our witness. Where's my witness? This one's for you. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Okay, cut. Someone bring me my witness. What is that? Whatever. Never mind. We're live. 3, 2, 1. Sir, can you please tell me what you saw? I think it'd be pretty safe to say that that was a ghost, huh? Nothing? Wouldn't you agree?
Everyone clear the area!
Oh my gosh.
We'll take over from here.
Really? Are we ever gonna finish this?
Did anyone see where the ghost went?
Yes, it went that way.
Sir, you will have to leave. This might get ugly.
But I have an authorized appointment! Oh. Okay, cut!
Hey Sean, how was your audition for varsity choir?
Unfortunately, I didn't make it.
Really? I thought you were outstanding.
Really?
No.
Oh. I mean, if only there was some way I could, just build my resume, build some new friendships, and just get more involved.
If only.
Whoa! What was that?
I think that's a sign.
Hey Chargers.
Hello.
Hey guys! What's up, Chargers?
Hey everyone, my name's Haley and I'm the president of the Hewins Club here at Edison.
Join NHS and be a part of an excellent volunteer-minded peer group.
We talk about history, favorite periods of time, and generally just enjoy the company of other history buffs out there.
Join Project Planet A, student-led environmental organization working to inspire people to make lifestyle changes and take initiative in their community.
What we do, so there's competitions, national and regional, volunteer hours, bi-monthly club competition.
Welcome back. I'm your host here on Charger News. We are here live at the scene waiting for the results of the ghost chase. Our Yellow Jacket heroes have yet to make their appearance.
Everyone clear the area!
What?
We caught him.
Oh, gosh. Now what?
Oh my gosh! Wait,
Get him up 6 feet away at all times.
Oh.
Can I have a few words with you?
Nah, I don't like the media.
What? That's my witness. What are you... Seriously? Okay, cut. All right, let's go. Hey Chargers!
If you liked our video, make sure to go follow us on Instagram at Edison Chargers ASB.
And remember,
Go Chargers!